Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this braid wig that I got from Amazon, or Amazon company rather. If you're interested in the details on this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay guys, I am back with another video. This video is a wig video. This is a braid wig that I was sent from a company called Youthfee on Amazon. I want to show you guys what she looks like. So this is the unit that I got. It is 36 inches, 13 by 8 HD lace front braided wig with baby hairs. And so it is braided at the top, and then it is like box braids in the back area. So we're gonna get into the clips of what she looks like straight out of the package, and then I will be back to install her. Okay, so the price point for this wig is $130, but it does have a coupon for $10 off. You can also get this wig with Amazon Prime, so you can have it in like 2-3 days tops. So, you know, for the girl eyes that need something quick. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I want to tell you guys before I put her on? I don't think it is. Oh, I gotta show y'all what came in the package. Okay, because I don't think I did that. And so I'm making a mess, but y'all already know that. Okay, so this is the wig here. This is what she looks like. I went in and cut the baby hairs off already, and I tinted the inside with some foundation. It does come with the adjustable strap, as well as or elastic band and adjustable straps. It has a comb right here in the nape area, as well as on the sides, but of course not in the top part, because that's where the braids are. So it came in, stuff is falling. It came in this nice little clear bag that says Youthfee. It has the instructions on the back on how to use the wig. I believe stuff is falling out of here. Yeah, it is, because the bottom of it is unzipped. So it came with these little clips, also some eyelashes, and a wig cap. And then this is a little label in here, so that's cool. But the instructions tell you to wash it in lukewarm water, air dry it, use conditioner instead of shampoo, and hang it on the mannequin head to dry. And then it says, warning, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies. We should all know that. Don't let the babies get a hold of it. So I believe that she is 36 inches, guys. Look at the tips of this. Like, whoever braided this did they thing, like completely to the tips. And I absolutely love how neat the braids are. Like, the braids are really, really neat. I absolutely love that. And then, like I said, it has the box braid effect in the back, and they are individually braided as well. So let's put her on and see what we looking like. Alright, so this is what we looking like so far. I think that I am going to pull it back some so that my edges hang out a little bit, to kind of give it more of a naturally looking vibe. There's some lace on here that I don't like that I'm gonna cut off also. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Got a little edge brush here. Brush finish my edges. Okay. So this is the top. Definitely a lot of space in the back. A lot of space, as you guys can see. Let's see. I feel like this makes my ears look so weird. Like I want my ears to not be out like this. I really don't like my ears being out like this. Like I like for them, like, I don't know. I really don't like my ears to be out like this. But you know, of course, you want to go in and lay down your edges, or not your edges, your sideburns. And then voila. Now you can go in and lay this down as well, or you could wear it glueless if you wanted to. I'm gonna wear this glueless, of course, because y'all know I change my hair a lot. So let's get into it. If it get to sliding, y'all try to ignore that because it's not laid down completely. I think it looks more natural having some of your own hair out so that it doesn't look so boxy and wiggy. I would also like to point out that these braids, if I hadn't said that already, are really, really nice and neat. I'm wondering if, you know, going with like some foundation down the parts, if that would make it look more natural. I'm looking for me a brush to test the theory out with, guys. So let's use an angle brush and see. Yeah, I think it would look more natural. See how defined that already looks? Let's test it out and see. So I already feel like that looks better. So I'm gonna go in and do that all over, and let's see if it looks more natural that way. So I would definitely go in and add foundation to the parts like I did to make them more defined, and it helps them, makes them look more natural to me. Does it look more natural to you guys? It makes it look more natural to me. I feel like the tint on this is just not dark enough. So, and plus our scalp is not really that dark. So I feel like adding the foundation definitely help bring the wig out. So I would say if you're gonna go in and add foundation to it, make sure you use an angle brush because the parts are really neat and really tiny, and you don't want to get foundation on your braid. But if you do, just take a makeup wipe like I did and just clean it off so that the braids still look nice and neat. So I would say this is Lazy Girl approved. It's definitely a way to class up the look. It looks very natural. Like I said, I do wish that I could do something different with my ears, like maybe because I would want to wear this down. I wouldn't want to have to pull it back, and see my ears are really small, so yeah. But I would want to have to, I wouldn't want to have to pull it back to wear. This is what it looks like in the back, by the way. So I don't really like that, but it is 13 by, what I say, 13 by 6, 13 by 7. Let me tell you guys for real. Okay, so let's go back to the details. So it is 13 by 8. The braids are really long, of course, 36 inches. I agree with that. Just so you guys can see. how long that is, and they're really neat. It is very full. Like I said, it is big head friendly, so there's a lot of space in the back, and it's good that they give you that elastic band for people that have small heads like me, so you can tighten it up, which means you can actually wear it glueless if you want to, or you could go in and lay it down if you wanted to as well, whatever your preference would be. I would say okay, so the reason why I cut the baby hairs off, outside of me not liking baby hairs, because y'all know I don't like baby hairs, was because I feel like it left too much lace, and so it made it look like a wig instead of looking more natural. So I would suggest going in, especially if you're one of those people that's got the baby hair game finessed, go in and do your baby hair swoops. And of course, she is sliding off my head a little bit, so we're not looking as natural as I want it to look. But go in, do those baby hairs, you know, swoop your own baby hair down, and I think that it would look a lot more natural using your own hair versus using the hair on the wig. Now, if you're one of those people that, again, can finesse the baby hair, not just your hair, but the hair on the wig, give it a try. The baby hair on the wig was a little coarse to me, too. I really did try to keep some of it because I felt like it would be cute with this look, having, you know, some hair laid down, but it just, I don't know, it just wasn't my cup of tea. But would I rate this wig? Would I rate this wig? Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. I would definitely give her a 9 out of 10. I have reviewed another box braid wig. It's a knotless box braid wig from a different company. So these box braid wigs, or these braid wigs, are really, you know, coming up. They really putting them out here, and the quality of them is getting a lot better also. Like, this looks like somebody hand braided these. Like, I went to the salon and got my hair done. So you ladies out there that do braids, y'all better watch out for these companies, because these companies charging $130 for, you know, some braids that y'all charge $130 for as well, but we can only wear them one time when y'all charging that much. So yeah, y'all better watch your back. I'm just saying. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, go out and get her. She is a little bit more expensive than, you know, we typically go for over here, but I feel like $130 is reasonable, especially for a unit that you can constantly use. So I'm not sure if this is human hair or not, but I would be cautious with how I use it as well. I'm just amazed at how neat these braids are. Like, this looks like, I mean, I'm just amazed at how neat these braids are on a wig. Like, that really amazes me. These companies really be doing their thing, y'all. They really do. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would give it a solid 9 out of 10. I will have it listed in the description box for you guys in case y'all decide to check it out. If you hadn't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Make sure you have your post notification bell on as well. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.